Think your caption doesn't matter? Think again. In a world of endless scrolling, you've got one chance to stop the thumb, and it starts with your caption. Let's break down the anatomy of a high-converting caption. Step 1. The hook. This is your scroll stopper. Hit them with curiosity, a bold claim, or a relatable moment. Try this. Step 2. Deliver value. Teach, inspire, or solve a problem. Make it worth their time. Step 3. Trigger emotion or social proof. Share a win, a personal story, or even a client result. Example. And finally, step 4, your call to action. Always tell them what to do next. Tap the link, save this post, DM for details, simple, direct, effective. Want to shortcut the process? Use our plug-and-play templates and just tweak them to match your voice. Because when you master the caption game, you don't just stop the scroll. You start the... Bookmark this and level up your content today.